Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, November 1st, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. H pattern, moving average bounce, coming off a slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains and we're going to play this bar by bar. What I want to make mention is at 9:45 Eastern and at 10 o'clock Eastern, we're going to have some news drops. So based on what I'm seeing with the charts, I expect the price to continue to go up. And before, during, or after those news alerts, I expect the price to get up to that level.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move today, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in roughly around half of our gains at this point, and we want to see the corrective wave come in, see how deep and how long it retraces, and then based on the impulse off of that, we'll decide to lock in more profits to get out, whatever the case is at that point. What I'd like to see is the price push up into this area before 10 o'clock. If not, it might get stuck up there, and that might be the hard ceiling that it's going to bounce off of. And if that's the case, then we'll decide to pull profits and then reassess what's going on. Based on what the next bar does on our 1 minute chart, if it can't punch through the 488.25-ish area, we'll just pull profits at this point and just reset. And we're going to pull our profits right.
Order filled.
And there's a $2.40 move on QQQ today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro. All right, if the price holds around the 487.25 area, we're going to go back up with the market.
Order filled.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going back up with the market, and let me mark out. So we got in the net bar, I think it's 25, 26, doesn't matter, close enough. And we'll change this to magenta so we can separate our first trade from the second trade. And oh, good thing it didn't trigger. All right. So we're going to mark up our charts here in just a moment, and we will show you why we took this trade setup. We had an H pattern, close enough moving average bounce, close enough slingshot. We had an H pattern, Fibonacci retracement, close enough moving average, slingshot. On our 5 minute, we had an H pattern retesting off the high of the first 5 minute bar, and we have a lightning to the upside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's our $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to go a little bit past break even. I want to see how this price reacts to this area and see if there is a potential early on retrace. So this way, if there is a retrace coming off this high point and it catches the 21, we give it enough room to bounce off the 21 and continue on the upward approach.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move right now, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in $1.50, and we're going to play this bar by bar moving forward.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in $2.50 and we're going to play this bar by bar moving forward. Here soon, if we can't break the 490.50 area, we'll just pull our profits at this point. We hit our ultimate target of the day, so I don't see much strength in this move anymore.
Order filled.
And there's a $3.25 move, ladies and gentlemen. First trade, $2.40. Second trade, $3.25. Total, $5.65. As always, never forget, be a pro.